Here we will write a program to find area and perimeter of a circle using abstract class and abstract method. So first in comment line we will write, since we are going to use abstract class and abstract method, first we will import the abstract class. So from ABC, import ABC and abstract method. Then we will define class calculate, which will inherit abstract class ABC. Inside this class we are going to define two abstract methods, one for finding area and another for finding perimeter. So first we will write abstract method decorator, and then we will define method area with self. Since the method is abstract, we are not going to write any code, so we will write pass. Then we will define another abstract method to find perimeter, and here also we will write pass. Then we will define class circle, which will inherit calculate. The formula for calculating area is pi r square, that is 3.14 into radius square, and the formula for calculating perimeter is 2 pi r, that is 2 into 3.14 into radius. So we will define constructor with one parameter for radius. So def init self comma radius, and here we will assign self dot radius equal to radius. Then we will implement abstract method area. So def area, and here we will return area. So return 3.14 into radius square. Here we will use self dot radius. Then we will implement another abstract method perimeter, and here we will return 2 into 3.14 into radius. Then we will accept radius from the user. So r equal to int input, enter radius of a circle, and we create object for the class circle. So c equal to circle, and we will pass r as a parameter, and then we will print area and perimeter. So print area of circle, and we will call here c dot area, and then we will print perimeter of circle, and we will print c dot perimeter. Here also we will write self dot radius. Then we execute this. I will give radius as 5. It will print area of circle as 78.5 and perimeter of circle as 31.40. Here we have defined the abstract class with two abstract methods, area and perimeter. In class circle we have inherited the abstract class calculate, and we have implemented two methods, area and perimeter. If we remove this perimeter method and if we execute, it will create an error. Since we have declared two abstract methods in the class, so we have to implement both the methods in the class which inherits the abstract class.